Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Hello app and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to this page of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your